The elote man. Wait! Where's my shoes? Where's my shoes? Where's my shoes? I'll just wear the kids' shoes.
The tissues don't have to be for you.
It's okay, come on. Let's go. Oh shoot. Wait, I need money. The elote guy's here. Wait! Look. Wait! Hold on. Oh. We missed him. We missed the elote guy, Enrique.
What?
We missed the elote guy. You know what? Let's just make our own elotes. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make corn on the cob street style. So the first thing you're going to do is start off by cutting the tip off. You can just kind of fill it there and yeah, after that I just pull it and then you're going to see there's the corn and I'm just going to like pull all the hair off and break that off. And there's my corn, and I'm gonna do that to all 20 of them. So now that you have your corn peeled, now you wanna wash it. Now you're just gonna rinse these, and then you're gonna have a big pot right next to it, and you're just gonna place these in the pot. Basically, you're making sure that there's no little hairs on them. Yeah, you're gonna have little hairs on your hand. Okay,
don't splash me.
Okay, so now you're just gonna wanna fill the pan up with water, and you're gonna add about 2 handfuls of soap. Of salt. You're gonna add 2 handfuls of salt. I always like to add it under the water, so that way I know it's evaporating. These 3. And we're just gonna, and it's okay if it's like sticking out a little bit.
Wait, that would be a cool shot.
You ready?
Wait, I'm not ready. Go.
Be quiet!
And now you would always have hairs on your shirt?
Stop, this is gonna be a serious video. I'm trying to get a viral video.
I'm kidding, Mom. You ain't gonna lift that. You know damn well you ain't gonna lift that.
Okay. And now you're gonna put it on the fire. And now you're gonna put this on the fire. And you're gonna let this boil for about 40 minutes. Since it's not covered, I'm gonna go ahead and put this on it. So now the corn's ready. You're gonna know the corn's ready because you're gonna be able to smell it. And this is just like a little bit softer. So the ones on the top that were weren't underwater, all I do is just get those last because they're gonna cook in the steam. So while this is cooling down, I always separate like 5 or 6 corns because I have family in this house who loves this stuff, so I want them to cool down as fast as possible. You're gonna need mayonnaise, you're gonna need butter. I always get the squeezed butter because this is what they use. You're gonna need cotija cheese. You don't have to buy it like this, but we just recently found this. I think it's super cool because it has like a little sprout right here that I could just like open. Ah, I can't open it. Oh my God, I can't open it. Okay. Whatever, I guess I'm gonna be using this side. And you're gonna need lime juice and you're gonna need tajin. And these sticks, you can find them in your market, like where they sell all the utensils. They usually have them there. They have really long ones, those don't work. Don't waste your money on those. You're gonna need the short ones, so it's like, yeah. All right, so the way you're gonna do it, you are gonna make a mess, so be prepared for that. You're gonna get your stick, and then you're gonna get your corn. And then you're just gonna put this right in the middle, and you're just gonna pound this in.
That's what she said.
That's how your corn's gonna be held. Now you're just gonna get your mayonnaise, and you can just use that with a spoon. And I use the back of the spoon, and I'm just gonna like rub this everywhere. So now I'm gonna get my cotija. Remember guys, it has to be cotija. And now I'm just gonna sprinkle some on. And the next step is gonna be your butter. And now you're gonna do a little lime juice. Then you're gonna get your tajin. And this is how you make, and this right here is how you make authentic corn on the cob. And this right here is how you make authentic street corn. Wait, how do I say that? And this right here is how you make authentic corn on the cob. And this right here is how you make authentic street corn.